Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the trending effect on TikTok called eye distance. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this effect can increase or decrease the distance between your two eyes. It is quite cool as you can play a prank on your friends and show them how they actually look with their eyes apart. So let me show you how to get this effect and how to use it. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Then you want to tap on effects. Here you want to tap on search. And now here you want to search for eye distance. In the search results, you're looking for this effect here, eye distance. Tap on it. And now once you do that, you'll see this slider here. If you move to the left, your eyes will come closer to each other. If you move it to the right, your eyes will go far apart from each other. So left will make it closer and right will make it wide apart. Now set your distance and then press the record button. And now go ahead and play a prank on your friends or family. And that is how to use a trending effect called eye distance on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.